Hello aspirants, welcome to INCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the pros and cons of taking the political science as an optional subject. In this era, the low attention that is a span to grab and hold the knowledge extremely challenging. But if you are watching this video, you don't have to worry because a breakdown of all the challenges. First of all, you must know what are the pros in the political science optional subject, because that it is a main pro that is high overlap with GS paper. That is a main important plus point of this taking political science. That is a major advantages. That is a GS paper 2 polity and international, and GS paper 4 that is ethics, thinkers, political philosophies, essays. For essay it is very much useful for the democracy, governance, and also the IR topics, and it is very much useful for your interview. That is the main concern. First of all, IR and political theory improves your understanding of the Indian position globally, how India project themselves on Indian governance, and it is very much useful for your interview discussions. And there is no prior background is needed for this, because the engaging topics like democracy, rights, justice, international relation, these are the important, interesting, dynamic subjects. So current affairs is enrich your answers. So that is a very much interesting topic, and it is a scoring potential that with a structured answer, that is a main important. That is a thinkers and case study. This optional can really fetch very good marks for your UPSC, and also there is a reward that analytical and opinion based writing will be developed overall. So this is also one of the main plus point of taking the political science is as optional. And also there is a static and dynamic balance. That is a paper one is always static, that is a political theory, Indian polity. So this one is already it's a static one, and dynamic, that is a international relation and comparative politics will be giving you a good balance. That is a between the static and dynamic point. So this is very much important pro of the taking the political science as an optional subject. The cons, mainly the drawback, that is very much competition. That is competition is very much high in that. There is a popular optional, so it will give the option to take, many aspirant will take the political science, so it will give you more competition, and also you need good answer writing practice to stand out of the competition. And second one is this answer writing demands, you must make back answer with scholars, thinkers, theories. So you have to writing must be analytical, not just a factual things. That is very much important. Paper 2, that is a current affair, that is very much intensive. That is a international relation parts which needed the constant update. You have to update yourself day by day, and you have to concentrate more on the current affairs. So there are dynamic sections, so you will have to follow the global affairs closely. It globally you have so many topics, so you have to not come to a single topic. It's a enormous topic you have to cover. This is what a drawback. And also there is a syllabus is very much broad. Some topics can be abstract. It's like a political theory that is comparative to the politics. And also we need a conceptual clarity, so you have to read, and you have to get the clarity in all the aspects. That is the main thing. And also you have to invest more time in that. So the time of investment is very much more. That is the initial preparation, it will take more time. So especially if you are new for this subject, definitely it will consume more time. So this is only main drawback. So the political taking the political science, the main drawback is the competition is high, answer writing demands, and also the syllabus is broad, and also the time investment is more. So these are the main cons about the political science optional UPSC. If you enjoy reading about the politics, governance, international affairs, if you are very much enjoying to read the politics, governance, international affairs, and current events, then political science is a very good rewarding option for you. Thank you so much.